You're called a lunatic, a bioterrorist, a con artist, a world-class bigot, and starvation advocate. What do you have to say for yourself?
What do I have to say for myself?